Congratulations, and thank you for taking the initiative to act on this incredible offer. Have you ever heard the phrase, cash is king? If cash really is the king, why don't more people invest in cash? Until recently, the only cash investments available were CDs and money market accounts, which ties up your money for a long period of time with very low levels of return. Cash truly is king, however, but only if you buy the right type of cash. I'm talking about investing in cash from all over the world by buying and selling currencies. Did you know that many of the world's largest companies and institutions make more money buying and selling cash than they did selling their products and services? Take, for example, Chrysler, the car maker. They made more money in 2003 buying and selling currencies than they did selling cars. Investment guru Warren Buffett isn't buying real estate nowadays. He's dumping billions of dollars into buying the euro. The cash that these big companies are buying is from all over the world and is done through a worldwide market called the foreign exchange, or forex for short.
What I like about the forex is it's been able to give me the added money that I'm able to do things like take my wife to Paris for her birthday, or to go on vacations and be able to trade. No matter where I'm at in the entire world, I can trade the same market just like I'm sitting at home.
What I like about the forex is that it's actually open 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. It actually gives me time to actually trade when I need to trade.
I love the forex just because it can fit to my schedule. 24 hours a day. If I can get up an hour before work, look at the market, home from work, look at the market.
What I like about the forex is it doesn't matter where you come from. If you're a professional trader or if you're an amateur like me, you can come in and start learning, and you can trade the forex from wherever you're at.
The forex market is the largest market in the world, trading over $1.9 trillion each and every day. To put the $1.9 trillion into perspective, if you were to add up all the daily volume of all the U.S. equity markets like the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ, the forex surpasses all these equity markets by 30 times the volume. The forex truly is the largest market in the world.
You know, as a national of New Zealand, I travel back there quite a lot. And the ability to be in an international market like forex, be able to be here in the US or in New Zealand, it doesn't matter. I have access to the same market and I'm able to trade, and it's something that when I'm at home I can spend an hour a day and keep up fully on my trading.
So how does one make money by buying money? Well, each country or groups of countries base their economic value with some form of currency. Here in the US, it's the US dollar. Countries within the Eurozone like France, Germany, and Spain use the euro as their medium of exchange. At any given moment, the US dollar is either more valuable or less valuable than the euro. The way you make money by holding money is to own the currency that is appreciating or going up in value over the other country's currency. The winner is not he who holds the most money, but he who holds the most valuable money. The catalyst of forex success is leverage. If you were to open a broker account to, say, purchase stock in a company, the broker may allow you to buy 2 to 3 times the amount of stock than your initial investment could afford. They do this through leverage, in the end making you more money if you were right about the stock. In the forex market, the forex interbank brokers will allow you to buy up to 100 times the amount of currency than your initial deposit could afford. Therefore, you only need the currency exchange to move just 1/1000th of a dollar to make a profit. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you bought the euro over the US dollar and the euro appreciated, say, 1/2 of a cent over the value of the US dollar. If you were fully leveraged in this trade, you would have made 50% return on your initial deposit. Although the opportunities to earn a 50% return on a given trade show themselves each and every day, the key to long-term success is knowing when to buy and sell a currency, and also knowing the amount of leverage to use. This is accomplished by following a proven system.
The forex, I would say if you don't have a system, it isn't easy. If you have a system and if you have the right system, then it becomes easy.
I actually looked at some other systems in the past, and this system is actually really easy. It's cookie cutter, it's easy for me to understand.
The system, if you follow the system, how it's planned out for you, it makes everything so easy with forex.
Can you imagine yourself making 5%, 10%, or even 50% return on your money? Now let's change your mindset just a little bit and think about those returns instead of on an annual basis each and every month. Now that's the power and potential of cash investing. With these types of potential returns that could compound each and every month, it doesn't take a lot of money to make a lot of money. Now just because you want to achieve these types of returns doesn't mean that they'll come free for the taking. In order to achieve true success in the Forex, you need to acquire and maintain three things. Number one, you need to have knowledge. You must first have a trading plan to succeed in the Forex. Many traders use trading systems. You must acquire the adequate knowledge to create and implement the trading plan to succeed. Second is motivation. Experience is a plus, but motivation is a requirement. You must set the right goals and focus on successfully trading your plan. Your level of motivation will determine your short-term and your long-term success. Lastly, support. You need support because the Forex market is a large market with huge international banks competing for the exact same profits that you'll be after. It is vital that you have the sufficient support team to coach and mentor you through the times when your motivation is lacking and to increase your knowledge. We have a system to establish a trading plan that can help you obtain the knowledge needed to trade the Forex successfully. We can also provide you the support you need to maintain discipline and to help refine your skill over the long term. But when it comes to motivation, well, that one's up to you. You need to be motivated enough to take action.
My success with the Forex is it's been able to allow me to quit my full-time job that I've been working as a full-time plumber for the past 6 years and replace that income that I was making every month. I replaced that in a single week.
I've had a fairly profitable run in the last 12 months, and I look at having that expand as I move forward with Forex Island.
My personal success is that it allows me the freedom as a mother to spend with my children on a day-to-day basis. I'm not working from someone else's hours, someone else's rules. I say my own rules, I say my own lifestyle, and I'm with my children. They're not being raised by daycare.
Yes, I would recommend Forex Island to anybody who's an investor, who's a beginning investor or seasoned investor, who actually realistically want to learn how to trade in the Forex market.
I would definitely recommend Forex Island to everybody. Everybody needs to know this industry. With it being so new to the public, everybody needs to at least look at it.
I would recommend Forex Island to every single person that I talk to, absolutely.
The most successful traders in the world are ones that trade systems. And I've looked and seen and paid quite a lot of money for different systems. I've not seen anything that comes close to this.